Hi there, welcome to Retail EDI. Today I want to look at the Infoborders EDI reporting solution. And specifically I want to look at exception reporting. I don't want to look at 400 pages of minutia. I want to look at the problem, right? You pinpoint it. I'm going to tell you what to look for. You pinpoint it. And what's more, I want you to tell me when it occurs via email. So give me an alert telling me when there's an exception to a process taking place. Now alerts can come only from via email, but the reason for an alert can be anything from maybe you want to be notified when your sell-through drops with a given retailer for a given product line. Maybe you want to know when a shipping window is about to be missed. Maybe you want to know when an invoice just sent out doesn't match the ASN. Maybe you want to know when you are out of inventory at a 3PL that you contract with. So let's say that I just received an email alert on my little smartphone, my BlackBerry, what have you, and I go to my laptop and I copy that number and I go to the Infoborders website. I log in, that takes me to a dashboard, and I go right to my process tab and I paste the document number I was given, the process number. And a process, again, the concept of a process is all of the given documents that you trade with a given trading partner. And that could be PO, ASN, invoice, all 997s and 820s, what have you. Now here I've got the process pulled up, gives me who it's from, who it's to, the process type, the number, its status, and the date. I can drill down into it. This gives me quite a bit of information summarized. Unit price, quantity, ordered, sent, billed. I can expand that. I can look at the documents related to this particular order. I can see there were 2 shipments made on this order. And it says multiple shipments against single PO. That's a violation for this retailer. So I can drill down in if I want to and look at those 2 particular EDI documents. I can look at other violations, acknowledgement for a PO is past due, whatever it happens to be that I want to capture. Delivery outside a requested delivery date. They want it on Tuesday and you sent it on Wednesday. That's a violation. So we can drill down into that. Look at the correlating documents, look at an involved documents composition. So that is all the documents related to this process. We can expand on it and look at all of the ISA control dates. And so what I'm seeing here in this process is we've got all of the documents related to this order encapsulated in one place, and it's identified all of the business rule violations for us, and it's done it chronologically in a way that we can actually record it. We've got information that we can report on, we can summarize it, we can talk about it. It's all in one central location, and we can drill down even further to root cause, further into root cause. So if there were EDI syntax errors, we can drill down into those simply by clicking on any of the document descriptions in brackets. We're taken to the raw X12 and we can see header, reference, different loops, SDQ information, and so on. If there were mapping violations, we would see these down here in the summary, right? And based on all of this information, we can take proactive steps to improve our processes and how we work together with our retailers. And I think that's pretty fantastic right there. Now, the Infoborders solution is a great solution which is agnostic of all data volume and requires absolutely no mapping for a company to use. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. It's Jim Cantrell, Retail EDI.